guys, welcome to another RGI Easy Sewing tutorial, and we are continuing our series on embroidery. Now I believe the embroidery series is something we're going to be doing for quite some time. If you haven't seen the other videos in the series, the first is up here for you to see and the others are down below so you can take a look at them. Enjoy! So guys, we're going to use the stitches that we have already learned to create some beautiful flowers. And keep in mind that these are designs that you can use to embellish anything that you already have. In this first one, we will be using the Lazy Daisy. Right now we're using the stem stitch. Other stitches that can be used here include the back stitch, the chain stitch, and the split stitch. Now we're doing some French knots. So here you have two flowers that can be made using stitches that we have already taught you, the Lazy Daisy and the French knot, as well as for the stems you can use the back stitch, the stem stitch and the chain stitch. So until next time, bye.